Good morning, third grade. Well, actually, I don't know what time it is when you're going to be watching this video, but we are doing lesson 17, binary images with artists. So I'm going to walk you through this. So to draw with binary is a way of representing information using only two options. In this case, off and on. Here we're going to use the number 0 as code for off and the number 1 as code for on. So you look here, the black is going to be off, 1 is going to be on, yellow. So in this stage we provided you with a grid of pixels that you can walk through and make designs by turning on certain squares. Okay, I compared it to, in class, I compared it to turning your light switch on in your house. There's only two switches. There's only two options, on and off. All right, so I'm going to start over here. And it says, we provided you with a grid of pixels that you can walk through and make designs by turning on only certain squares. Use the blocks below to have the artist draw 01, 01, 01, 01 in binary in the first row. So when we're talking, we're going to drag this green block out, and this is going to be the code that we're going to attach into it. In this case, it's already attached. And if you watch up in the area, that yellow looks more green here than it does in the previous slide. So I'm going to hit run. I'm going to replay that and slow it down a little bit. Reset. So this is off, on, off, on, off, on, off, on, or 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay, very nicely done. Remember, you can pause this video to take care of any puzzle you want. Okay, it says here's a function that takes a binary string of ones and zeros and instructs the artist to follow them from left to right, top to bottom. So it looks like we're going to make a checkerboard. So I'm going to hit run. Hold on. I'm going to reset that and make it go a little bit faster than that. Okay, now before we go on, I need you to make sense of this, that you're able to understand this. The first line was 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. The second line was 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. So you can see that it alternates. So it's going to be like a checkerboard. Every other one is going to be black or white, on or off. Okay? Good deal. Let's go to number 4. It says, which of the binary strings below could you loop 8 times to draw this image? Now I'm gonna start over before I give you the answer. So we're looking at 0 0 1 0 1 0 0 1. So we're looking for the one that has the that starts with 2 zeros, and there's only one option really. This is the only one that starts with 2 zeros. Okay, it's the only one that starts with 2 zeros. Okay, is a good deal. We're going to go to number 5. Reset. Okay, it says, can you draw this pattern by looping just 3 binary digits, zeros and ones? It's only going to be 3 numbers. So if you look, it is 0 0 1 0 0. So all we need to do is type in here 0, 0, 1, and it's already set for 21 times. Okay? So if you look at it, it makes complete sense. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay? Cool. Oh, by the way, your classmates did great in class. All right, now I got to start this one over. This was the hardest one, perhaps. It says each binary string. No, this was not the hardest. Each binary string below represents one row of this picture. So we have 8 rows. We have 8 binary. It says, can you rearrange them so that it draws a smiley face instead of a frown? So you see the smiley face here. That's what we want. Let's see what it does. Okay, so what we have here is just starting at line 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. On line 5, so I'm going to separate it because my brain works better in smaller sections. So I'm going to pull out line 5, and it should be, and I'm going to backspace this out of there, it should be 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1. So it should be 6 zeros and another 1. And I'm going to reset and run and see if I got that row right before I move on. Okay, so we got that one right. So I'm going to go to the next line. I'm going to pull it out, separate it, and this one should be 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0. So this one looks correct. I'm going to hit reset and run. Okay. Now we probably could have just switched some of these around. All right, we're looking at line 7 now. So it should be, I'm going to just backspace it out of here. Whoops. So it should be 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1. 4 ones. Then 2 more zeros. All of these have 8 lines in them, 8 boxes, 8 numbers, 8 bits. Okay, we didn't even need that last line. The last line is all zeros. So I hope that makes sense to everyone. Just take the time to look at them. You got your classmates just did so amazing with this. Okay, number 7. Now we're, I'm going to start over again. It says, write which 6-digit binary string repeated 11 times will draw this image. So we wanted to have the first 6 boxes. So I'm going to put draw binary code up there, pull out the numbers, and we only want 6. So we have 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. See, the pattern's the same all the way through. It's just like so much other code we have written. Okay, so it's only 6 digits in here. And we have it done. Number 8. Okay, I'm going to start over. Now this one, what is the shortest binary string that you can repeat to draw this image? So we're looking for the shortest string we can write. So the pattern is 101, 101. Okay, 1, 0. So let's put it in the draw binary, And let's try it a couple times first. So it's going to be 1, 0, 1. Let's see if that works. No, that's not going to work. So 1, 0, 1. Let's put another 1 on there. 1, 0, 1. 1. Nope, that's not going to work either. See how I'm breaking it down? I'm making it smaller. So let's see if that works. Alright, this one looks better. Uh-oh, I think we got it. So there's only 5 numbers in this string. Okay, nice. Number 9. Now this is the hardest one. Okay, so they have, it says finish the code to create this drawing. So I'm going to hit run. Okay, so we have to finish through the next line. So I'm going to put draw binary code, put the number in there, and we're going to look. 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. So I'm going to hit reset and run and see where we're at. Okay, so we have 5 lines. Now we're doing line number 6. I find it easier if you leave it like this, so that way you can see the next line clearly. So I'm going to draw a binary, pull the number out, and I'm looking, and I'm using my mouse and the keyboard at the same time. 0, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. I hit reset. Okay, we're moving right along. We're looking at line number 7. Draw binary, pull the number out. So we have 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, and I'm going to test it. If you feel comfortable working like you know you're going to get the next line without this type of strategy, you can do it that way. And then the last line looks pretty easy because most of them are on. Only the first one is off. So it's 0 and then 7 ones. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got it. So I'll let you do that. I'll look at it again. Pretty straightforward. You might have to do a little bit of thinking, but you guys are good thinkers. So let's move on to number 10. Okay, it says, take a close look at the code below. Which image will it create after you click run? So we have 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So there's 7 pieces of 7 digits in there. So it's going to make this one, I believe. I think it's B. Let me double check. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 8. Let's try D. And I think I got this wrong the first time. I did. As a matter of fact, I did get this wrong. So the answer, I believe, is D. So don't choose my answer. I chose A. I was looking at it backwards. I was looking at as if it was reversed. And then number 10, It was I mean, excuse me, number 11. I just played around some here. I made a checkerboard of my own. You guys can play with this. It doesn't matter what you do. Frankly, you don't even have to do it, but I find this pretty entertaining. Okay. All you have to do is click finish. When you're done, you can have this code. You can send it to somebody on Facebook, or you can send it to a phone. And that's about it, boys and girls. I hope that you get this. Here's some bonus lessons. If you really enjoy this stuff, please go ahead. And that'll be it. I hope to see you next week. Bye-bye, boys and girls.